goes to
Tagunan. Sumaktan. I feel.
But before we proceed to the top 3, i-award ko na natin yung Best in Costume sa group performance.
How did you judge the best in costume?
It's about the coherence of the costume to the event itself and how they projected their costume as well. So it's not about the way they dress it, but the way they use their costume in relationship to their performance. Quiz mo dahil hindi rin. Quiz mo dahil makurbaan mo na din. Kumbag, di ba sige natin mga inyo na words.
Answer niyo mo sa una.
Best in recitation. Best in costume goes to Best in costume goes to B. Face Time! Congratulations! I can remember all of them wears the same shoes, the same headdress. Yeah. Congratulations!